Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to add more additional credits on ElevenLabs. If you're using ElevenLabs and you've run out of credits, you might notice that your text-to-speech generation stops working, or your character limit resets to 0. First, log into your ElevenLabs dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your account profile icon. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Subscription. This is where your current plan, credit usage, and renewal details are displayed. At the top of the billing page, you'll see your current plan, for example, Free, Starter, Creator, Pro, or Scale, along with how many characters or credits you've used. Now, there are two main ways to get more credits. Option 1, upgrade your plan. Option 2, purchase additional credits, or top-ups, if your plan supports it. Now, let's talk about purchasing additional credits without upgrading. On some paid plans, ElevenLabs allows you to purchase extra character packs if you've exceeded your monthly limit. If this option is available to you, you'll see a Enable Usage-Based Billing. Once you turn that on, you can drag how much credits you want and click on Confirm. Now, if you are on the free plan, your character limit is very small and resets monthly. To increase your monthly limit significantly, click Upgrade Plan. You'll see a comparison of available plans, each offering higher character limits and additional features, such as higher quality models, more voice cloning capacity, or commercial rights. Choose the plan that fits your usage needs. If you're creating audiobooks, YouTube content, or long-form narration, you'll likely need a higher tier plan. Once the upgrade is complete, your credit balance will update automatically, and you'll immediately have access to the higher character limit. If you consistently hit your limit before the month ends, it's usually more cost-effective to upgrade your plan rather than repeatedly purchasing small credit add-ons. Also, be mindful of which model you're using, as higher quality models may consume credits at different rates depending on your settings. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.